Computer fundamentals. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine which helps to solve problems easily. Parts of a computer: monitor, speaker, mouse, printer, hard drive, RAM, motherboard, processor, keyboard, computer case. Type of computers: desktop, computer, laptop, netbook, hybrid, tablet, smartphone. Father of computer. Charles Babbage was a mathematician, philosopher, inventor, and mechanical engineer. Babbage originated the concept of a digital programmable computer. Babbage is considered by some to be father of the computer. Computer language. Machine language is the only language a computer is capable of understanding. It is also called low-level language. Machine language is a collection of 0 and 1. 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. It is very difficult to understand by human. Hardware and software. Types of computer hardware: hard disk, CPU, RAM, mouse, keyboard, printer. Types of computer software: PowerPoint, Android, Microsoft Word, Windows, Java, Google Chrome, Gmail, antivirus software. How a computer works. Computer works in 3 basic steps: input, process, and output. Input is the data that we enter into the computer. Process is what the computer does with the input data. Examples of input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, light pen, scanner. Output is the final result of the computer gives to us after processing the data. Examples of output devices: monitor, printer, projector, headphones, speaker. Uses of computer: study, listen to music, watch movie, play games, draw, chat, send emails, surf in the internet. Computer in our daily life. Computers are used in schools, hospitals, offices, home, banks, airports. Advantages of computer: accurate, not tired, multitasking, never forgets, fast. Disadvantages of computer: no feelings, can't decide, work on user's order.